Hello, welcome to your last video for your Monday, Tuesday homework. In this video, we are going to talk about reference angles. I am going to explain this slide a little bit and then we'll move on and actually do the work. But a reference angle is a positive angle between 0 and 90 degrees that represents a bigger angle. They give you some formulas you can use to find your reference angle on this slide. So if your angle is in quadrant 1, your reference angle is just going to be whatever angle they gave you. So if your angle is already between 0 and 90, that is your reference angle. Quadrant 2, your angle, to get your reference angle, you're going to do 180 minus your angle measure. Remember, theta just represents your angle. In quadrant 3, you're going to do theta, your angle, minus 180 to get your reference angle. And then in quadrant 4, you're going to do 360 minus theta, your angle measure, to get your reference angle. So really, you're just figuring out what quadrant is my angle in and which of these formulas am I going to use to find my reference angle. All right, without further ado, let's look at your 4 examples. So my first one, we have a 26-degree angle. So 26 degrees, that's going to be between 0 and 90, so I know I'm in quadrant 1. If I'm in quadrant 1, my reference angle is just theta. It's whatever I started with. So this one, I'm going to have a reference angle of 26 degrees. And we're done. That was easy. My next one, we have 263. So let's look at my angle measures. 263. We have 0, 90, 180, 270. So 263 would be between 180 and 270. So I know I'm in quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 tells me I do theta minus 180. Remember, theta is your angle measure. So I'm going to do 263 minus 180 and figure out what that gives me. So I'm doing 263 minus 180. I get 83. So my reference angle is going to be 83 degrees. My next one is 149. 149 is going to be between 90 and 180. So 149 would be in quadrant 2. Ooh. So if we're in Q2, they tell me we do 180 minus my angle, which is 149, to get my reference angle. So 180 minus 149, we get 31 as our reference angle. My last one is 205. Dang, I didn't give you a great example, did I? Let's do this. Will you make this one? Actually, you won't have to make it on yours. It'll change. I'm going to change my number right now because I don't really like 205. And we're going to do, let's do 295 instead. I don't know why I did the 9 first. So 295 degrees, we want to figure out our reference angle. 295, that's between 270 and 360. So I know that I'm going to be in Q4 for this one. When I find my reference angle for Q4, we do 360 minus my angle, so minus 295 to get my reference angle. If I do 360 minus 295, I get 65. So my reference angle is 65. All right, that is how you find your reference angles. I would take a picture of this little cheat sheet on your slide so you have it when you're doing your homework and maybe don't have to flip back and forth so much. Other than that, thanks for watching. And if you need any help with your homework or anything else, as always, don't hesitate to let your teacher know.